Hello, everyone. This is Team LaunchPad. Today, we're going to present our project SwapTrade, a second-hand trading platform. Next page, please. We are a team of 8 developers. We have Pai, Ray, Huimin, Kevin, Jess, Jim, Dennis, and Carlo, and our mentor is Long. Next page. This is an overview of our tech stack. We've used many modern languages, frameworks, tools, and APIs. And in the following slides, we will go through the technology used in details. Next page. This is an overview of our features. Our website currently have 3 features. We have authentication, user profile, and product listing. Next page. First, I will start with the authentication. Our website supports 2 types of authentication, login with Google or via email address. Google login is handled by the next auth Google provider. The user will be redirected to the traditional Google login page once the user clicks the Continue with Google button. Email login is handled by Next's email provider and SendGrid email server. As the picture shown below, the user will be asked to enter an email address. A login link will be sent to the email address so that the user can log in. Once the user has logged in, user's session token will be saved into the database directly, and the session token will be used to validate if the session is valid or not. Next page.
Thanks, Pai, and I will introduce the other features in tech stacks. And the second feature is user profile. Once user log in, they are required to complete their user profile. Otherwise, they cannot create new product listing to sell or buy. Then the first feature for the user profile is upload their personal avatar, which this avatar is upload to the Supabase, and the Prisma will record the address from the Supabase for each user. Secondly, the user profile will record their name, bio, and mobile number and address. And the interesting thing is our mobile number will have a validation function that's used the Trello API, so that user can know themselves that they have the right number input into our system. And then the address will be used our Google Map API to help finishing the address. Next page, please. And our product listing page is one of our main features in this project. So the first function for the product listing page is we have a search function that allows the user search product by name or by tag. And you can also have the permission to remove or update the product if they own the product themselves. And it can also be used under the homepage as a complement. So in that case, the homepage will have the distance and tag showing on the homepage complements. And it can also show when did it post. In that function, we have a backend search function applied to this front end, and also it can filter the product tag by popularity. And all distance are calculated by the Google Map API, but the distance is not only the straight line distance, it's the route distance. Next page, please. And the product detail page is used as an extension of the product listing page that allow the user to have the CRUD to their own product, can editing the title, tag, and price. And most important, the product conditions, that we have 3 states for the product condition. The first one is the brand new, and second is the used. The third is used but like new. Also, we are required user to upload an image before they create the real product. And the tags, Google Map, and upload photos, as I mentioned before, is used in this page as well. Next page, please. And we're using a Verso for our platform, for our CI/CD platform, because the Verso is easy and fast to use, and they have the native support for Next.js, which we use as our framework. Then PostgreSQL and GitHub can automatically deployment in that platform, so it can increase our development speed, and also increase the maintainability for our project. Next page, please.
In terms of framework we use Next.js as a full stack development. Next.js is a powerful framework that enables backend-free architecture and automatic routing. It enhances the performance by splitting code into smaller sizes and supports both client and server-side running. With TypeScript support, it ensures robust development, and its integration with Vercel makes development a breeze. Its file-based routing system also simplifies navigation within this application. Now, let's talk about how data is fetched from a database. Data fetching from a database is done by using stale while revalidate, called SWR. It returns cached data first, then revalidate to provide up-to-date information. Using Axios as a fetcher, which is a third-party library, the key benefit of SWR is that it keeps components constantly updated with a stream of data, making the UI fast and responsive. Now, talking about API, we used Google Maps API as a powerful tool to handle location-based tasks. It automatically addresses, shows locations on the map, stores geographical location, calculates distance between sellers and buyers, and generates static map images as well. The benefits of this API are its lower cost, effectiveness, and precision, make it a valuable resource for application usage. Now, let's handling our presentation to Jess, showing functionality of our platform.
Hi everyone, thanks for my team member introduce the features we implemented. And if you are very excited about our website, my team member, you can send our link in the chat. So I'm here to present a demo of our SwapTrade website. As you explore our website as a visitor, you will see the following interface. You will be able to view a collection of second-hand products posted by other users. The navigation bar provides categories tags, allowing you to filter the products accordingly. Upon clicking a specific tag in the navigation bar, the website will lead you to associate products. If you decide to click on a particular product, you will be presented with detailed information such as the title, the seller's name, seller's location, price, and the condition. And if you decide to become a member and log in, we provide two login methods. So the Google authentication and the email authentication. I will log in through my email. So what we need to do is type in and click the continue with email button, and it will show us a model saying a link has been sent to your email. What I need to do is just to go to my email and to see if I receive okay. Yeah, here I have received an email saying I can just simply click the login button and it will lead us to our website. So the website is loading now, as most of the surveys we used are free, so it might take a bit of time to load into our website. So when we log into our website, I'd like to show you what you can expect it from our website. You will have access to our listing page, where you can create listings. But before that, it is important to update your profile. You need to save your name. My name is Jess. I will save it to our database and our bio. And here we need to save our mobile number. Here we need to validate our mobile number. So the trailer service will send us a one-time passcode. It's received. So it's validating now. When it's validated, our mobile number will save to our database, and we need to save our location as well. What we need to do is simply write our postcode and save. Now we have the access to create new listing. Just a second. It might take some time. Yeah, we have access to our listing. Before we revise anything in the create listing page, the create button is disabled, and there are two important fields, title and price. They are mandatory. So if I only write my title and click the create, it will show us the price is required. For example, it's $50, and I will write create. And also we need to upload the picture, enable to the other users to see how the second-hand product looks like. And we have a add tag feature. So here you can search tags for our product. For example, if I create fruits, it will say there is already an existing text here. And example, I would say the cherry is brand new. I'll write a description. When we create our listings, it will show us the listings we create here. Yeah. After you added this, sorry, it's also worth noting that the most recent create listing will appear at the top of the page. But as I'm a new user, I only have one thing here. I want to log into my other account, as I have already create lots of listings. I want to log in through my Google account. So just a second. So in the listing page, I have already created, it's gonna take some time. I've already created more than 10 listings. Yeah. So if there are more than 10 listings, a pagination feature will allow you to navigate between different pages. We also have a search function here. For example, I want to search furniture. Furniture. It will show us the listings I've already created that related to furniture. Yeah. Now I want to go back our home page. I can get a nearby tag in the navigation bar as a login user. as I can see, there are some product I can easily get if I want to buy some stuff. Okay. Also, if I'm interested in one item, I click here and I can get the detailed information, and I can even talk to the seller saying, hi, how is it? And it will send a message to the seller. So here are the main functions we have implemented. There are more features we need to do in the future. Thank you. That's the end of our presentation.